Now we are starting with question number 9. The line through A -2, 3 and B 4, B is perpendicular to line 2x minus 4y is equals to find, and we have to find the value of B. See here, a line through A and B to -2, 3 and 4B perpendicular line to this given equation. So first of all, I will calculate the slope of this particular line. So I got the slope 2x 4y is equals to 2x minus 5 or x by 2. 2 by 4 will become x by 2. So m2 is equals to 1 by 2. From these two coordinates, I will find the value of m1, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So I got b minus 3 upon 6. Now put the value in the formula. m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. So 6 b minus 3 upon 6 into 1 by 2 is 1. So b minus 3 and 6 into 2 is 12. So 12 will be multiplied by minus 1. So minus 3 will go to this side. It will become positive. So b is equals to your minus 9. So in this case, you have solved the equation like this. In question number 10, if the lines 3x plus y is equals to 4, x minus ay plus 7 is equals to 0, and bx plus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0, from three consecutive sides of the rectangle, find the value of a and b. So I have taken the three equations. 3x plus y is equals to 4, x minus ay is equals to 7, and bx plus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. Now first of all, here m1 is minus 3. Here I have calculated the value of m2. Here m2 I will get as 1 upon a, and from here I got the m3 as minus b by 2. So I have written m1, m2 and m3. Now I know that m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1 because two consecutive sides are perpendicular to each other. So after calculating, I got the value of a as 3. Now if we take m1 we will take m1 is equals to m3 because we know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel to each other. So now minus 3 is equals to b minus b upon 2, that is b is equals to 6. In question number 11, it has been given, find the equation of line which has the y-intercept 4 and is parallel to the line 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. So y-intercept is 4, so the coordinates will become 0, 4. Parallel to 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. So I have calculated the slope as 2 by 3. So m2 is 2 by 3, and now put the values in the equation and you are going to get 2x minus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. And then you have to find the x-intercept. X-intercept, you will put the value of y as 0 here. 3 into 0, 0. So 2x is equals to minus 12. So x is equals to minus 12 upon 2, that is minus 6 upon 6, 0. Question number 12 is same as 11. Here m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. You have to keep in your mind. In question number 13, find the equation of straight line perpendicular to the line this and having same y-intercept as 2x minus y plus 5. As it is perpendicular to this equation, so m1, first of all 3x plus 12 is equals to 4y. So 3 by 4x plus 3 is equals to y. So 3 by 4 is your m1. We know m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. So I have calculated the value of m2, that is minus 4 upon 3. Here y-intercept is given to you. Y-intercept, you will put the value of y in the equation as 0. X as 0. So y will be equals to y equals to 5. So coordinate will become 0, 5 and slope will become minus 4 upon 3. Now you can form the equation because you know the coordinates x1, y1 and you are having the slope. Question number 14, 15. 14 is same as 13. Here m1 is equals to m2. Question number 15. It is same as 14. Here m1 is equals to m2. If we talk about 16 number question, the equation of a line y is equals to 3x minus 5. Write down the slope of this line. So slope, we clearly know that the slope is 3. It is being mentioned here. And The intercept made by it on y-axis, hence the otherwise write down the equation line which is parallel to the line and which passes through the point 0, 5. Now, first of all, I have calculated the value of m. M as it is parallel, so m1 is equals to m2 is equals to 3, and so coordinates are 0, -5. 0, -5, and I have to form the equation with 0, 5. So 0, 5, I made the equation. This is my 3x minus y plus 5 is equals to 0 is my equation. Question number 17 is same as 13. Question number 18, first part, the line 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0 meet x-axis at A. So you will, first of all, you will put value y equals to 0. When y is equals to 0, so coordinate will become A is equals to minus 3, 0. Then the second part, determine the equation line passing through A and perpendicular to 4x minus 3y plus 12. So by 4x minus 3y plus 12, first I will calculate the value of m1. I got the m1 is equals to 4 upon 3. By applying the formula m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1, I got m2 that is equals to minus 3 by 4. Now, as I am having the coordinate is equals to 0, 3, so I have taken y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Just solve the equation and you got the equation 3x plus 4y plus 9 is equals to 0.